We've got a great Made in Canada feature product for everyone this week. Check out Lincoln Electric's SuperGlaze 4043 aluminum wire. When it comes to making aluminum MIG wire, the production process can easily add contaminations if not properly controlled and tested. Lincoln Electric has created many procedures at their alloy plant in Mississauga, Ontario, to make certain that every wire spool that comes off the assembly line is of the highest caliber. Lincoln Electric's SuperGlaze 4043 wire is shaved down several times to remove any imperfections that may get caught during the feeding process. They also don't put any spooling or feeding lube on the product, which is known to cause failure, and having an extremely smooth and clean wire will produce stronger and better welds. It has less chance for the wire to bunch up. There will be less fumes and waste, and is ideal for thin metal welding like aluminum. Basically, it's one of the best filler metals on the market and can be found everywhere from auto body shops to tractor-trailer manufacturers. So, if someone's looking for the best of the best when it comes to aluminum MIG wire, have them check out this week's feature product, Lincoln Electric's SuperGlaze 4043. Let me know what aluminum MIG wire you're using in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for information on our feature products. See you next time!